Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 with its mini-ape handlebar, mid-mount controls, and bobber-style fenders has become a fan favorite among riders looking for a minimalist American V-twin to customize. A gritty, stripped-down bobber cloaked in black and powered by the Milwaukee 8114 engine. Street Bob 114 model is an ideal foundation for customization based on performance. New for 2022 is a standard passenger seat and pegs, which make the Street Bob is no longer a solo machine. Also new for 2022 is the Annihilator cast aluminum wheels with gloss black finish replace laced wheels. The 2022 Street Bob 114 available in 4 unique paint schemes, with the classic #1 graphic on the fuel tank. Choose between Vivid Black, Gauntlet Gray Metallic, Redline Red, and Fastback Blue. The 2022 base price for Vivid Black is $15,349 and $15,799 for the color option. Chopped fenders, a mini-ape handler, and a svelte 3.5-gallon fuel tank give the Street Bob a lean and mean edge. Meanwhile, the black cast aluminum wheels and blacked-out engine kick up the visual drama. The Street Bob also features LED headlight, USB charging port, keyless ignition, security system, and an inset LCD instrument panel. The Street Bob 114, as the name suggests, gets a bigger engine now. The Milwaukee 8114 V-twin engine has 114 cubic inch or 1,868 cc motor, claimed to produce a stump-pulling 119 pound-feet of torque at a mere 3,000 RPM. The narrow XL-style front forks are non-adjustable, but are the next best thing with Showa's dual bending valve technology that delivers a demand-driven damping effect for a plusher ride than you'd get from plain vanilla forks. Street Bob utilizes a modern monoshock design while still retaining the classic hardtail frame look. A single, under-seat shock supports the rear end, and it comes with the obligatory spring preload adjuster so you can compensate for changing cargo or passenger loads. Suspension travel measures in at 5.1 inches on the front and 3.4 inches on the rear. The single front brake, 300mm disc, 4-piston caliper, and outback, a 292mm disc and twin-piston anchor provide stopping power for the bike. ABS is available as optional equipment. The stripped-back nature of the Street Bob continues on the dash with Harley's now customary 2.14-inch or 54mm LCD display showing speed, RPM, gear selection, fuel level, range, and trip, along with a smattering of lights, all controlled by a button on the left bar. It's far from high-tech when viewed alongside the ever-growing trend of massive TFT screens, but very in keeping with the style of the bike, and easy to read in a range of light conditions.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tattle my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video.